ALCATEL OneTouch Idol 2S, and let me show you how to activate portable hotspot. At the very beginning, open the list of all applications, then select the settings, tap on more. Here go to tethering and portable hotspot. Now you can simply tap on portable Wi-Fi hotspot, and your device is creating the portable hotspot. And now it's on, you can use it. You can also change both the name of your Wi-Fi hotspot and also the password. You have to remember that the password must have at least 8 characters. By clicking on Show Password, you can see what your password is and also change it. Let's add some letters. If any changes has been made, tap on Save, and if not, tap on Cancel. If you would like to switch portable Wi-Fi hotspot off, tap on the same icon. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.